Hello, hello, it's Bobby Schwartz. Hey, I sent that email out about the video to kind of explain how Home Business Advertiser works. And I got like 175 views, which might not be huge for a lot of people, but I thought that was pretty cool. So this is the magazine that we do, homebusinessadvertiser.com. And Miss Robinson, you know who you are. I want to say Veronica, but it's different than that. Told me to get this instead of recording it on my phone and looking like an idiot. But anyway, let me just go back to kind of like where I was. Randy Wolf, Ron Blazis. This guy is, he's owned a lead generation company for the last 20 years. I used to work with Ron, with Brad Carley. We used to do $40,000, $50,000 monthly co-ops together when Ron was with ACN. Just an incredible guy. If you want some leads, go to leadpower.net. Over here, how to make stacks of cash with cryptocurrency and cannabis title life. This guy's Russ von Holshire. He's been around like longer than I've been alive, and I'm 47 or almost 46. So anyway, yeah, Russ von Holshire. You read this stuff and you're like, I want to copy what this guy's doing. So check that out if you get a chance. Here's the front cover story. I think this is pretty huge. It's totally different than anything I've ever seen for network marketing and weight loss. But these guys this is Jack Fallon, this is Lucy and Scott and Corey. These guys at Total Life Changes. Just check out the system. There's an app for this if you go to the Google Play Store. But it's lose5and5.com. Definitely check that out and get a sample of their product. It's just different. They're talking about, gut health. I think gut health is going to be huge. It is huge. Just nobody really knows about it. Mike Controllus. This guy always talks about how Zig Ziglar teaches if you can get anything you want in life. You can get anything you want in life if you just help enough people get what they want. And that was such a blessing when Mike said that to me. So you're an awesome guy. And then Mike introduced me to David Rubright, who's with a company called Anovate. And these guys have this milk. It's this like, when a baby calf is being born, I guess the idea is that that the first six days that it's passing along all these immune factors, this IGF or something like that. I don't know. I haven't tried this product. I have tried the colostrum. I definitely believe in that product. I'll keep ordering it. It's a little bit expensive, but I really do think it's worth it because it'll just replace a lot of that crap I'm buying anyway. But yeah, Shane Douglas, this guy's an ACN. He's a superstar. He's been around forever and ever and ever. He's continued to advertise. Check out his website at betheone.com, www.betheone.com. And then another direct response ad here. These guys have a different take. I guess the colostrum has transfer factors in it, which I don't completely understand, but these guys are doing something similar. This is For Life with Mike Akins, something similar to Anovate. And then this ad, this is in the center spread of our magazine, which is kind of weird. I didn't plan it that way. But this guy, Eric, at owninternational.com, check out these two products right here. The one is called Pursue, which is a daytime weight loss product. Increase energy, improve focus, reduce food cravings. Pursue, like get it. And then the other one is Subdue, the PM pack. So this is AM, PM, nighttime weight loss, better sleep, reduce stress. So there's something cool going on here. So yeah, check this out. And then if you guys want to advertise in our March issue, like little Jimmy's here, just give me a call let's get it done before February 14th, and we'll get you in the March issue, and we'll start generating you leads like all these people. And I'll talk to you soon. Be good and God bless.